Hello! Welcome to my vlog, Ma'am Isel B Vlog. We're gonna make a herbal steam bath, Filipino and Vietnamese cure for common colds, sinus pressure, and headache. First, ingredients is boiled water, rosemary, lemongrass, and 3 tablespoons of salt. And if you have ginger, you can put some ginger, a tenth. I have a headache, so I'm gonna go make like a homemade sauna, like a shower mist, because my headache is it's caused by a sinus pressure. So I had a tripod. This is my tent. This is what I do. And I boil some water. And now it's boiling. Just turn off the heat. And then I put my rosemary there and my garlic. If you have lemongrass, you can put it. But it's winter, my lemongrass died, so this is all I have for now. Put it there. So like that, I will make a teepee tent and cover that with a lot of blankets and a thick comforters. Are two thin blankets and 2 thick comforters, and you have to put the boiling water there, and you have to sit there, and you have to inhale the steam that's coming from the pot. Your clogged sinuses. So we're inside the tent now, the teepee. I'm inhaling the steam of the boiled water with garlic and rosemary in it. It's like a hot mist in the bathtub, but I do this inside the DIY teepee. Make sure and be careful that you don't get burned with the hot water. You have to inhale the steam. I am sweating now. You should feel less sinus pressure and much more refreshed after the procedure. Thanks for watching. Bye.